Wow. What is this, guys?
I think they're called Yeezys.
Never had a combination like in a box like this. This is insane. Missy, did you do this?
It's Kim and Kanye.
What is this? Boost? Boost?
They're Yeezys.
I'm sorry, guys. You guys know me. I dress in tie-dye. I got green socks and this right here, and the dog's over here. Let's open this one up. Oh man. Man. Missy, what do you think about these? Who sent me these though? I have no idea. Reeboks in these?
Kim and Kanye.
Oh, Kim? Oh man. Kanye, what the F, man? Oh, dude. Alright, let's check this out. Got another box. Seriously, guys, this isn't punked. I'm all real. You guys know that. Just gonna open this one up.
You're not gonna slide
Oh,
it open?
shit.
It's like Christmas.
Oh my God, man. Oh my God, man. Kim, Kanye. Man,
Those are dope.
I don't know. I should sign these and give them back to you. You can put them up on your wall of fame and the Kim and Kanye. Thank you guys for sharing your lives with us. Thank you guys very much. Hopefully we see you guys soon. Lord. God, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So hope you guys liked the intro to that video. If you guys did, drop a like on this video. This is hilarious to do. I had a lot of fun actually scripting this out because I can't even remember all the words that Dennis Rodman was saying because I couldn't understand half the stuff he was saying. I love that dude though. And shout out to the dude on Twitter that actually reached out and said, hey, you should open boxes like Dennis Rodman. I actually took it a little bit further than I thought I was initially going to be taking it. But fun nonetheless, and yeah, anyway, we'll give you guys a look at these since I just got them in though. And just so you guys know, I did rip up actual authentic Yeezy boxes. They're not the same boxes as the shoes inside though. This is a pair of the Mauves, which I do have the Mauves, so RIP box. And this is actually my zebra box that I ripped open right there. So RIP 2 boxes. Anyway, it's a kind of a bummer, but do it for the YouTube video, I guess. This is actually the box that it came in, and I got a size 10. And it says Azrael on the box for these joints right here. So this is the new Carbon Yeezy 350 V2, but it is obviously called the Azrael or whatever. I think they changed it up for political purposes or something like that. I don't really know. Carbon's a better name though in my opinion, and I like the upper on this shoe. So it's basically a black primate with little hits of kind of like almost, it looks almost like a glow part here, and then also black and gray. And up the side of the shoe right here, you have that kind of the fish wire feel to it. This one does not have a pull tab. Honestly, I don't know the difference of when they do decide to have pull tabs and when they don't. I wish they would actually call it out on the box though and be like PT or something like pull tab. Maybe it's something too simple. But that would be nice to know because I like them with the pull tabs personally. I think they look cleaner. And then some of the other ones just don't have them, so it's kind of weird. But the newer Yeezys now, if you did not notice, they actually have different sets of laces. So in the box, actually, they have a little lace bag, and it has regular laces for the shoes, but then you also have this weird little rubberized loop that kind of can be tightened down. I don't understand the logistics of how this lace works, but to be honest, I like the look of it, and for myself, I honestly don't even tie the shoes, I just leave them loose anyway, so it's kind of a win having it look like that anyway. At the heart of it though, it's just a 350 V2. If you've never tried them, they are comfortable. It's an encased midsole of Boost, so it's a rubberized midsole as you could see with like ribbing all the way around the shoe. In the back section, there's always a little bit of a difference right here as it kind of wraps all the way from the outsole up through this little back section right here. The outsole, you can see the Boost through it, as well as a huge little like kind of triangle section in the back where the Boost is. So the encased Boost is pretty nice. Usually 350 V2s for myself fit a little bit snug. I get true to size or up half a size. If I get true to size, simple fix for myself is just removing the insoles, and then these usually fit a little bit better. So pro tip for those that get true to size and find them a little bit too snug. I also recently just did a video on the ZX2K Boost, which has wrapped boost, not encased boost like on this, and the wrap boost is much more felt on feet than the encased boost for some reason. The way that they engineered that, I think it's just the bottom section has more columns. It's just amazingly good. So if you missed my ZX2K Boost video, check my review out of those. So I actually ended up copying my pair from the Adidas app, and there's two different apps right now. There's the Adidas and the Adidas Confirmed app. The regular Adidas app though, this one was available from, so I'll link it in the description if you guys want to go download the app. If you don't have it, you're already missing out, because they do have limited drops like these and some of the 4Ds and just other random stuff that drops, mostly always Yeezys though, and that's how you end up copying them. For those that didn't know, you have to download the app, then you enter a raffle for the most part. Some of the Yeezy releases, they don't do the raffle, they just release them on the website, but a lot of the time they do a raffle. So it's just luck of the raffle, and I have an account for myself and one for my wife, and I hit on my account for the first time in like months and months. So that's how I got my pair. Again, link in the description if you guys want to download the app. But did you guys cop a pair of the Carbons or not? Drop a comment in the comment section, let me know. And what do you guys think about the colorway? I think personally, I like it. I really wish the outsole would have been a dark gum though, or if they did something different with the outsole. Anyways, that's just a quick little look at the Carbons. If you guys liked the video, especially the beginning part, again, drop a like on the video. It was hilarious for me to script out. But have a good rest of the day. We'll see you guys back for some more sneaker videos soon. Peace, guys.